Hello, I'm Mark DeRocher, Head of Operations at Grand Design RV. Quality is at the core of who we are. As we've grown, our commitment to quality has remained unwavering, guiding every decision we make in every coach that we build. Last year, we took another step forward by forming a dedicated continuous improvement team focused on quality. Their mission is twofold. First, explore innovative technologies and forward-thinking solutions that elevate our ownership experience, and to proactively address issues that challenge our ownership experience. Sean Ober, our Director of Quality and Engineering, is charged with leading this important initiative. Sean holds both a bachelor's and a master's degree in electrical engineering, has over 30 years of experience in new product introduction and quality improvement across multiple industries and manufacturers. I am excited for you to hear directly from Sean about the work he's doing and the progress we're making at Grand Design as we continue to set the standard in the RV industry.
Hi, I'm Sean. My role here at Grand Design is centered around striving for the highest levels of quality and fostering a spirit of continuous improvement in everything that we do. As you may already know, my team is dedicated to not only addressing issues as they arise, but also exploring new technologies and innovation. Roofing is one of the most common things we hear about from our customers, and we understand how important it is for both peace of mind and long-term value. We have focused on making our roofs even stronger and reducing potential water intrusion points so you can feel confident and protected where your travel takes you. Let me walk you through some more detail. We have carefully selected more optimal materials, improved the installation process, strengthened the securement points around the gutter rails to reduce potential water intrusion, implemented comprehensive inspections on 100% of our roofs, and finally, utilize rain bay testing to ensure that everything inside the coach stays dry and protected. As you can see, we here at Grand Design are dedicated to quality, continuous improvement, and making sure that we are building the best coaches on the market. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our customer support team at 574-825-9679.